When you understand dog owners, your ads can be powerful and simple. DoorDash's latest ads are clear, intelligent work that taps into something dog owners know. We don't like to leave our pets outside when we eat or drink. Now, moving from the UK to the US with a dog, I was amazed how much more dog friendly UK pubs were than American bars and cafes are. I know not everyone wants to eat or even drink with dogs around them, but DoorDash's latest ads for National Dog Day tap into that sense of wishing your dog could come along too. The video and accompanying photos don't emphasize the point too heavily, leading with shots of four-legged friends sat outside of restaurants looking in. If only because the insight into dog ownership does a lot of the talking.